So I think I probably did everything to this damn car, man. And you already know what I'm talking about. I think I did everything to this damn car. So it's been running good. You know what I'm saying? It's been dipping. It's been doing this thing. We're gonna go on a test drive in a minute. But yeah, man. Check this. It's like every time I come outside, something wrong with this car. I'm not even gonna show y'all the car because y'all already know what car I'm talking about. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all the car. Whatever. Every time I come outside, man. So I was like, man, let me check my spark plugs real quick, right? I go to check my spark plugs, and it's oil in the spark plug. I don't know if you can see that, but all the damn spark plug holes down there got oil in it. I know that one, dude. All of them got oil in it. So what I started doing, I took off all the valve cover bolts. This is a non-Vanos motor, so the valve cover is different. So I had to find a special valve cover for it. Got it. Now, I took all the bolts off. Everything's ready to come off. Now I'm gonna take it off. It's ready to come off. Right? We're gonna take it off. Ooh, not change the oil. These are done. Look at that. Straight stale. That'll do it. I'll take that out too. Valve cover itself is fine. So they changed the valve cover and then do the middle? That's wild, B. So we got all that off. Now I'm gonna change the gasket. Change this little stuff off. Alright, so I got all that back there. Now what you wanna do is put that on. So the corners need to get hit. Notoriously known for leaking. Here. No gaskets. Alright. All new gaskets, man. Job up, man. ain't got time to be playing no games, man. I got things to do. And I found another problem. So I'm gonna address that too today. Valve cover gasket installed. Now it's got to take the spark plugs, let all the oil out, clean it up. Hopefully I can reuse it. If not, get some new ones, but we should be fine. Put everything back together, dry the car, make sure it don't leak. And that's it for that. We'll get to the next problem, finish that, knock that out, and yeah, we rolling.